Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Cocoro token. Now this is a gigantic project. It's already been listed, I believe, on at least 2 central exchanges. Huge dog meme coin, and we'll get to what it's all about in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this is a huge project. Now, the Twitter, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here, at Own the Doge. It says, join the community that collectively owns the Doge image and IP via Dog. Has a gold verified checkmark, 19,600 tweets, 118,500 Twitter followers. And in their pinned tweet, there is some pictures of the Cocoro dog and a short little story here. And it says, we are delighted to welcome the latest member of the Adsuko's family, Cocoro. With Cocoro's blessing, OTD is launching the Cocoro token. The launch is intended to defend against unofficial extractive deployments while being as fair as possible and benefiting Adsuko's existing supporters. You can see Adsuko's announcement here on her blog. So there's a link to a blog article, kabochan.blog. It has been deployed on Base, and then they have the Base contract address. Now there's going to be so many different chains, so many different tokens with the name Cocoro. I've even seen it spelled with a K. But if you want the official Base chain contract address for this Twitter right here, it is in the pinned tweet, and then it says tokenomics are as follows. 75% LP to be locked forever with claimable fees that will be split 50-50 between the DAO and Adsuko. We have created ranged pools starting at approximately $1 million fully diluted valuation to deter snipers. The pool was deployed immediately after Adsuko's announcement on her blog. 20% community airdrops intended for Dog and Nero holders, and 5% DAO reserve. So this, there's the blog announcement here. Looks like it's in a different language. I got to translate it. I think it's Korean, if I'm not mistaken. I have no idea though, actually. But anyways, they have this. It looks like it's all in Korean here. But they have, the lady who owned Doge. Doge passed away. Then she got another dog named Nero. That was a huge meme coin. Then I believe she has like a bunch of cats too or something. I have like a bunch of cat meme tokens. Like there's so many of these animal tokens, it's hard to recall. But everybody knows Nero, of course. And if you go to the blog that they're talking about in the pinned tweet there, you click on that. It'll take you to the Kabosu mom. Kabosu is Doge's real name. And, oh, there's some cats there too. I just forget all these cats' names. There's so many of them. And then we got all the CZ animals too, broccoli and all this stuff. There's so many animal dog cat meme coins out there. But anyways, this dog, Cocoro, is hanging out with Nero and the Kabosu mum and this other lady here in a lot of these pictures. So you can see it's like the real family dog or whatever. And then this token here also got 2 big central exchange listings I've seen so far. So this token got listed on Lbank today, and it also got listed on Mexc Global, and it's already available also for futures on Mexc Global as well. So if you're looking to get this token, an easy way to get it if you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Cocoro, and then simply just buy the token. Now, if you want to trade futures, like I said, it is available for futures. I saw the MEXC global announcement for that earlier today. Another big token, the Bubble Maps, if you've heard of Bubble Maps. That token is going to be trading for pre-market trading on MEXC. So that's a huge announcement on MEXC as well, because Bubble Maps is a huge project. If you go to any Soul Scan, you can see Bubble Maps linked on there, along with like Photon, Dex Screener, GMG, and all that type of stuff. So it says, yeah, Cocoro Futures has been listed on MEXC, offering adjustable leverage up to 50 times. Now, if you haven't traded futures before, just be aware it's very volatile, especially, crypto is volatile on its own already, but futures is even more volatile. So make sure you check out what futures is and how it works before you start doing that. But it is available on MEXC. Now, this token is actually trending #1 in the base section on Dex Screener. Now, there's going to be huge projects also on other chains. I've already seen huge Cocoro tokens on ETH, Solana, and they're all, like, I saw them all get listed on Moontalk, that listing website, and there's tons of them out there, and it's going to be very hard for people to figure out exactly what is what, like if it's brought to you by like the original people or whoever. You know what I mean? You can't really say a token is fake, because anybody can make money off any token, really, if you think about it. Unless it's like a scam, then obviously, like, they rug you or something, then obviously that's gonna be, you could call that a fake token, I guess. But this one, if you take the contract address from this Twitter right here and put it into like Dex Screener, Dex Tools, then the chart will pop up. And you'll be able to see how the actual token is doing. So you don't get confused then with all these different Cocoro tokens and the names and whatever. Like I said, there's one with a K right here. I can see that's trending #3. But this one, market cap right now is $57.2 million. The base chain token actually only came out 3 hours ago. It's trending #1. It's up 5,206%. 24-hour trading volume, $133.7 million. $22.6 million worth of liquidity in Uniswap. Token price is about 5.8 cents right now per token. Now, if you go to like the new pairs section on Dex Screener, you're going to see all these Cocoro tokens pop up. So like there's one here. Well, the base one's actually right at the top, so that's good. But they also have ones on Solana there. I could see one Solana. 2 other base pools there. There's one on Ethereum that I saw that was huge. Let's just go over to the Ethereum chart site here. So there's so many of them coming out. There's trending #1, 2, 3, all on Ethereum. All came out different hours ago. So yeah, just if you want the official one, use the contract address on the Twitter right here. And I say official lightly because anything could be technically called official if you want to call it that. It's like just arbitrary. But if you want it from the actual Own the Doge page here is what I'm saying, make sure you use that contract address. And if you want to find, obviously they listed them on exchanges too. So you could find it on Lbank right now. You can also find it on MEXC, and you can trade futures on MEXC. And I'm sure it's going to be listed on tons of other big exchanges as well. But that's where I've seen the 2 big announcements so far. Brand new token anyways, brand new dog, added to the Kabosu family. Go check it out. Check out all the referral codes down there. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.